This question again was asked in the CET exam, CET question. Question is asked sine of 2 sine inverse root 63 by 65. We can write, this can be written as sine of 2 times theta. Is it okay? Which means where what is this value of theta is equal to sine inverse of whole root of 63 divided by 65. So sine theta can be written as root 63 divided by root 65, correct? Sine theta. So this is nothing but theta. So this is root 63 divided by root 65. So 65 minus 63 is 2 under the root when you apply the Pythagoras theorem. So I can say cos theta is equal to root 2 divided by root 65, right? Cos theta. So I can now say here sin 2 theta, we know the formula from trigonometry, double angle formula, 2 sin theta cos theta. Done. This is the answer. Easily, see, very short method of solving this problem. Easily in the competitive exam you can use this method. Root 63 divided by root 65 multiplied with cos theta is nothing but root 2 divided by root of 65, correct? Which can be written as 2 times root of 63 into 2 divided by root 65 into root 65 is 65. So 2 times root over 126 divided by 65 will be the answer to the question.